Good morning. My name is Sharon Staridi. I'm one of the climbing and backcountry rangers here at Mount St. Helens National Volcanic Monument. Today we're at the Climbers Bivouac, which is the beginning of the Monitor Ridge climbing route. Climbers can expect 2 miles through the woods marked by blue diamonds. I like to break down the climbing route into 3 sections. The first being the wooded trail, and the second being the boulder field. The third being the last mile, the last roughly 1,000 feet up to the rim, which is a loose pumice and sand ash corridor. Equipment climber is going to need this time of year. We recommend good sturdy boots, hiking poles, particularly on the upper end of the mountain, food, at least 3 quarts of water, change of clothing. In that we want to be prepared for all sorts of weather, because any sort of weather can come in. You can start off at the bivouac and it could be about 70 degrees, and you could get to the top and it could be in the 40s or 50s, even during the summer season. Safety concerns. Some of them are very small. Blisters, take care of your blisters before they get big. Hydration, that's why we recommend 3 quarts of water, and people stay hydrated even before they come up on the route. Other safety concerns are falling rocks. Let people know if you get a rock falling, and have a heads up for people who are climbing above you and below you. One of our major safety concerns is glissading. The majority of the climbers who get injured or hurt during our early summer and late spring season is when they're glissading and can't control their speed to stop. We recommend that people do know how to glissade and do know how to use an ice axe and crampons when traveling on snow. Here we are at 4,800 feet. This is as far as you can go without a climbing permit. It's also a good spot to reassess and see where you're at, and if you're up to the next 3,000 and roughly 4,000 feet to the summit. Here the boulder fields begin, and this is where you're going to use all fours. People with knee problems should really reassess, because getting up is one thing, getting down is another, and it can prove really taxing on one's joints. Here we are at a good stopping point along the climbing route. We're at the Earth Scope Observation Station, part of the Pacific Northwest Seismic Network for monitoring changes in the Earth's crust. We are roughly about an hour and a half from the summit. We're about a half hour from the notorious Scree Slope that can take the heart out of a lot of climbers. My suggestion to doing that is doing it slow and steady and practicing what we call the rest step, which a lot of mountaineers will use in climbing. Here I'm going to show you how to do the rest step. I recommend this when climbing the Scree Slope. It's monotonous but effective. It's 1 foot in the front of the other with the breath in between. Mount St. Helens. Your hard work will reward you with views of Mount Rainier to the north, Mount Adams to the east, and Mount Hood to the south. Some advice we'd like to give climbers. Getting to the top is optional. Getting down is mandatory. Please assess your progress as you're going up the mountain to make sure you have enough energy to descend. And upon descending, please do it slowly. Take time over the boulder fields and down through the Scree fields, and you'll enjoy and have a beautiful time.